Hello you guys and good morning. Today is Wednesday. It's just about the last day. It's 7:23. Can you see that? Also, I just changed my lock screen yesterday. This is the only painting I've ever cared about. Like, I really don't care about arts and that stuff, but I've always loved this painting. And I just changed it to my lock screen. I loved the lock screen that I had before because I was the only one who had it because someone made it for me. But I just am really loving that right now. So it's our current lock screen. Obviously I have my swimsuit top on, but I do have some jean shorts on. We're going on a boat tour this morning, and then after that we'll go to the beach. We're not gonna come home. So we're just being prepared for both. I haven't worn sunscreen this whole trip, except when we went on those two other boat tours. I did put some sunscreen on my face. So I'm gonna put some sunscreen on my face again, and then I think I might have someone put sunscreen on my shoulders a little bit. They're really not even like that red, but they just kind of hurt. So I think they are a little burnt. But yeah, obviously we got braids, and these will be good. And then whenever we get to the beach, I'll put on my hat, but I'm not gonna bring it on this boat tour because it'll probably be flying off, and I don't want to deal with that. I'm gonna bring a hair tie just in case I need it. I am wearing a sun shirt, by the way. I'm not just going basically topless. Hello everybody, we just got back and I am a hot, sweaty mess, but good to be back. I'm gonna eat some food first and then I'm gonna shower because I'm really hot, but I think this is as tan as I'm gonna get because it's our last day and I don't think we're doing anything else. So here we are. My back is pretty white, but looking pretty tan. Here's my tan line right there. Cool. I have my leftover pizza that I got for dinner yesterday, so I'm gonna eat that, and I don't really know what else we have to eat. Maybe some cottage cheese just to help finish that up since we leave tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just so hungry and thirsty. I can't wait to eat, but I'm gonna take these out real quick. The boat tour that we went on this morning was really fun because it was one of those boats with like the trampoline front, and that was so fun. I love that so much, so I just laid there the whole time, and he also had like little bean bags, and so me and Harper got to lean back on the bean bags, so that was fun. And it was just like peaceful. Like, he basically just took us around, and there was a couple dolphins, but yeah, that was fun. And it was like a 2-hour thing, which was pretty long, but good.
I'm naked, but I'm gonna go potty.
Okay, well, I'll turn off the camera. Bye. Okay, I'm out of the shower having a little snack. But I showered. I put on this dress. I don't think we're going anywhere fancy for dinner, but I have it, and I'm like, why not wear it? You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, fancier than everybody else, but it's fine because it's fun and cute, and it's vacation, so who cares? So I'm gonna wear this, and then I put like on my spray and lotion to hopefully keep my tan set. My face did start peeling, so that's kind of sad, but hopefully the rest of me doesn't peel. It's about 4 o'clock right now, and I was coming in here to start blow drying my hair because I don't really know what time we're having dinner, and I probably should do that, but I just remembered, oh yeah, like, we're leaving tomorrow. Like, I kind of need to get my suitcase under wraps and like fold up my clothes and like all the laundry we've done and stuff. So I think I'm gonna do that first and let my hair air dry even more, which is better, right? Okay, I'm about to blow dry my hair now because I'm pretty much like done with what I need to do. I think we'll still do some laundry, or I have some laundry left to put away that hasn't been done yet, so I'll have that. But I pretty much got all my toiletries in here, and like tomorrow I'll just like have to get out my toothbrush and like deodorant and stuff like that. But like other than that, it's pretty good. Some of Harper's stuff is still in there, and Harper's stuff is not done yet. For the most part, my stuff is, so yeah, that's good, but now I need to blow dry my hair because I'm assuming dinner will be happening somewhat soon. It's 4:33 and my hair takes forever to dry, so let's do it. Okay, my hair is blow dried and I'm pretty much ready, and now I'm gonna get Harper ready. I'm gonna do her hair, and she got her new dress on. Okay.
How?
That was pretty dramatic. Anyways, I'm gonna do her hair now and get her ready. Our reservation isn't until 6 and it's about 5 right now, but gotta get the ball rolling. We're on our way to dinner now. Here's her hair all done and her dress.
There's still some sand in my eye.
Oh, does it hurt?
Some getting.
Oh, good job. Okay, anyways, we're on our way to dinner. Here's our dinner OOTDs. My earrings are from Amazon. My dress is Shein, and my shoes, my flip-flops are from Walmart.
And my shoes are from Old Navy. My scrunchie is mine, and my dress, Butterfly Boutique. And my earrings from Quay's, and my pineapple is a squishy, and her name is Pineapple.
Okay, Mommy's turn.
Okay, my shirt is from Walmart. My skirt is from Athleta. My shoes, well, I don't know. And my jewelry is Kendra Scott.
Yay. Also, I got ice cream again. So yay. Alright, here's my current suitcase situation. Pretty much everything is ready. I'm just waiting for some more laundry to be done, and that'll fill up that area. And then right here's my toiletry bag, but I'm waiting till after the morning. You know, gotta brush my teeth and stuff. I have my backpack here ready to go. And then I have my outfit for tomorrow right here. Shoes right there. And yeah, this is all that I have left really to pack tomorrow. And then obviously these PJs. So yay. Currently everybody's just like getting everything together and stuff, and we might play Yahtzee if everyone like gets their stuff done at a decent time. But I realized, oh yeah, I still have 3 chapters of homework due, so I think I'm gonna work on that now while everyone else is still like packing and stuff, because I really need to get that done.
Sissy keeps scaring me. If you're gonna touch me, don't. Pineapple. No.
Oh my god. Alright, laundry's coming out. So I've been packing that, but since everyone's like still up, okay, thank you. Still up and about, I'm just gonna sit on my computer and stuff. Usually we've gone to bed around 9, and it's like 10 right now. So there's that, but since everybody's still up, I think I'm just gonna work on my computer, do some homework, until everybody settles down, and then I'll go to bed. Because I'm really tired, but everyone's up, so there's no point in going to bed now. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tomorrow, traveling back home, cannot wait. This has been a good vacation, but I never like being away from home, so I can't wait to go home. But yeah.
And see your movie?
Yes, I can't wait to see Maisie. I miss her so much. Also, my gross forehead. Ew. Why does it got a peel already? Ew. Say ew.
Ew.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.
Bye.